In a very distant place lived a humble farmer who works as carpenter in a workshop very close to his home. The workshop was led by a demanding boss Bastian, who daily reviewed the work done by each carpenter in order that all the work was in perfect condition. They must strive and appeal at their talent to become great carpenter, said Bastian. George, the humble peasant, did not like that Bastian demanded him since he believed that everything he did was good. Bastian had already noticed certain attitudes in him, so he decided to teach him a lesson. The following week, everyone would go on vacation. George, can you help me with a work next week? Said Bastian. To which George replied, I worked last vacation. I know that you had worked, but I need your help. The lady who hired me is very strict, Bastian said. George nodded and made a vast gesture. The hope was to make a wooden house with everything needed to live since it was humble town. If you finish your work quickly, you will go on vacation, said Bastian. George whispered in you, if I had a better job, I would not be going through these demands. George finished his work sooner than expected. When Bastian went to review his work, he realized that everything was wrong. The doors did not add up and the windows were of different sizes. Bastian thought, if George does his job well, he will not go down these embarrassing situations. He called Jorge and said, look, Bastian, this is a gift for you made with your own hands. The house that you have longed to have so much. Imagine you tried too hard to make everything perfect. Now you can move and enjoy your vacation. George was surprised and what Bastian has just said an apple seeds for his bad work. Accept his mistake and said, if I had done my job with effort, I would have had a spectacular home. It is a lesson that George will never forget, and since then he has made an effort to do all his work with love and dedication, understanding that demanded him to make this altitude more perfection.